If you manage vendors in QuickBooks Online, this is your 3-minute click-along guide to the transaction list by Supplier Report. First, why this report matters. It shows every transaction grouped by supplier, bills, expenses, checks, credits, so I can see payment history, invoice details, and what I owe or have already paid. It's perfect for auditing, budgeting, and keeping supplier relationships healthy. Accessing it is easy. I log into QBO, head to Report Search, or scroll for Transaction List by Supplier, and click to open. Here's the layout. Rows list each supplier with their related transactions underneath. Columns typically show transaction date, type number, memo, and amount. I get a total per supplier and a grand total at the bottom. Clean and scannable. Customization is where it gets powerful. I can set the date range. This month, last month. This year, or enter custom dates. Filter by supplier to focus on a single vendor's history. Filter by transaction type. Bills, expenses, checks, vendor credits. Add or remove columns like supplier account, memo location, or class. Sorting and grouping help me tell the story fast. I sort by date to see the timeline, and the report already groups by supplier, so vendor history is crystal clear. The best part, drill downs. I click any transaction to open the source, invoice, bill, expense, receipt, or check. That makes accuracy checks and audits way faster, because I'm verifying from the original entry. When I'm done analyzing, I export Excel or PDF in one click. Excel is great for extra formatting, pivot tables, and charts. PDF is perfect for sharing snapshots. Need paper? I print directly from QBO. Choose portrait, choose landscape for meetings, audits, or physical files. If I've built the perfect view, I memorize it. Save a customized version so I can rerun the same filters anytime. Massive time saver for recurring tasks. For hands-off updates, I schedule the report to email stakeholders, automatically keeping finance teams and managers aligned without me chasing it. Use cases. Small business. Track recurring bills and payments, verify vendor invoices, avoid duplicates or missed payments. Large business. Consolidate multiple supplier histories, manage contracts and compliance, and support centralized procurement. Benefits. Complete visibility into supplier transactions, simpler audits and reconciliations, and better decision-making with real supplier insights. Limitations. The report is only as accurate as the data you enter in app. Analytics are limited, and deeper analysis usually means exporting to Excel. Bottom line, the transaction list by Supplier Report is essential for vendor management. Customization drill downs. Memorized views and scheduling make it a powerful control center for cash and relationships. Call to action. Open QBO now, run the report filter to your top supplier and export a one-page summary for your next meeting. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the next QBO report you want me to break down.